Hello, teacher. My name is Juanda Chanel, and this is my uh, laboratory. So I have completed 2 laboratory works on the topic configure IPv6 addressing in Cisco Packet Tracer. So the first lab is called configure IPv6 addressing. The main goal of this work was to learn how to manually configure IPv6 addresses on a router, servers, and client PCs, and then test network connectivity. So in this file we have addressing table. In this table have IPv6 addresses for each interface um, and other devices. So first I enable IPv6 support in the router with the command IPv unicode routing, which allows the router to forward IPv packets. So in open my packet tracer, in this we show this topology. In this router 1, enter, and we use enable command and configure terminal and etc. In this my screen have I use this IPv6 unicode routing command because in default we have IPv4 addressing, and we update this address for IPv6. So then I configured all router interfaces. First, this is gigabit internet 00. For this I used others command. First, this IPv6 address. This address we have in this table, and also IPv address for link local address. Also in this table we see this address, and use not shutdown command for activate this interface. And we have in screenshot we show this command already, right? So this same step for gigabit internet 01 and serial 00, we use in this table IPv address and link local for gigabit 01 and serial 000. So in this screenshot we show this command for gigabit internet 01 in this, and IP address link local and no shutdown for activate this interface, and this same step for serial 000. And for check we use show IPv6 interface brief, and I can show in my packet tracer. So show use this command show IPv6 interface brief. So we show 3 interface and status up gigabit 00 up, and this link local address is IPv6 address, and also gigabit internet 01 and serial up. So next, and for save the router configuration to NVRAM, we used copy running configure startup config command for save. Next, this configure IPv address on the servers. So our topology, we have other services: is accounting, SAT, design, engineering, sales, and billing. So we click the scope and IP configuration. I also show we click accounting and scope and IP configuration. In this we already write this command IPv6 address and default gateway address. This is link local address. So also I can show the SAT. The same step for IP6 address and default gateway is already right. So the same step and the same step for billing and engineering, and so I also show this also IP address, default gateway, this link local, billing, and same for next. We test and verify network connectivity. So we in browser enter this address. I copy and can show open Salesforce, for example, web browser, and some waiting. So enter this address and click go. So click go and account zero. Welcome to account zero. This is means successful. And also same step for cut. I also show can click cut and web browser, waiting. Enter, go, and SAT 0 also welcome to SAT. And the same step for next. Next, this is ping, the ECP. We click the any client and click the scope, type command prompt and ping it. I also copy this command and for example I open design and command prompt and paste and pinging. This is means successful pinging. So the same step for other. Also I can show billing, command prompt, paste and pinging, also successful. So next, this is my next laboratory. Is called configure IPv addresses on network devices in physical mode. So here the goal was to build a physical topology with a router, switch, and 2 PC and configure IPv6 addressing manually on all devices. In our packet traces, we have this topology and physical mode. So also have a table and all devices and interface and also IPv addresses. So next, I connected and powered on all devices. This we have one switch and device, and I connect with use copper straight so cable, and also use copper rollover cable for connect with this PCA and PCB with switch and our device. So configure the router. We add uh, router 1 for hostname R1, and for switch also hostname C1. So next we assign the IPv addresses to internet interface on router. For in our table have for each devices have interface, and each interface have your IPv6 address. So in we previous lab also same step, we interface gigabit 00 and IPv address and use not shutdown command for activate interface in this same step. And so next step we use show IPv6 interface brief for show this gigabit internet status up. So I also show in my packet tracer and this scope. OK, enter, and we go to enable mode and show IPv6 interface brief command, and we can show this to our interface 00 and 001, and we have link local address and our IPv6 addresses. So next then we also for link local address we use command IPv address and a link local address, and use link local for interface 000 and 001. And these questions, which two multicast group have been assigned on to interface gigabit 000, this answers 2. So because we use show IPv interface gigabit 00, because we need this interface, and in this we show two group addresses. This is first link local. So and then we in PCB command prompt we enter the ipconfig command and can show connection, but in this IPv6 address not show. So this is we fixed this. Use the IPv6 Unicode routing command and for use this command, and then also use show IPv6 interface gigabit 000, and we join group addresses, added one more addresses. So next we also again check, and we PCB enter the ipconfig command, and now we have IPv6 addresses. So also I can show this PCB, this scope, command prop, and ipconfig enter, and in this for this IP6 address and our link local address. So step 3, this is same step for switch. We also use IPv6 addresses and um, also same step for now check it, and we have to join it address, and then we also check in PC IP configuration, use ipconfig command, and we have show this IPv6 address and link local. I also show this command prompt and use ipconfig command, and we have IP6 addresses and our link local address. So next, we verify end-to-end connectivity, use ping link local addresses. So we pinging. I also show this ping. Open PCA and use command prompt and past ping briefly, and so we successfully pinging. Also in my screenshot have, and from PCA use a tracker command for use IPv6 addresses to end-to-end connectivity to PCB. So and also pinging from PCB, ping PCA, and also check from PCB ping the link local address for gigabit 000. And this successfully connectivity already connected. As a result of these two labs, I learned how to fill and configure an IPv6 network manually. I now understand how to assign global and link local IPv6 addresses, how IPv6 routing works, and how to verify connectivity between all devices. And I also learned why the same link local address for can be used on multiple router interface, because link local address work only inside their own local network segment and are not routed between networks. So overall, both lab helped me strengthen my understanding of IPv6 addressing and routing, and how to configure a modern network that work fully on IPv6. So that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.